Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to use a limit order on Kalshi. This is an educational walkthrough only and should not be taken as financial advice. First, open a market. On Kalshi, choose a market category like economics or politics. Then select the specific event you want to trade. Next, select your position. You will see options like yes or no. Click on the outcome you believe will happen. Now switch to limit order. In the order panel on the right side of the screen, click the pencil icon or choose limit as the order type. Then set your quantity and price. Enter how many contracts you want to buy or sell. Set your price between 1 cent and 99 cents depending on your strategy. You can also set the lifetime of the order. You may choose good till canceled or end of day depending on how long you want the order to stay active. After that, review your order carefully. Make sure the market, position, quantity, price, and duration are correct before continuing. Finally, click Review and then Submit to place your limit order. Thanks for watching.